Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Ubuntu 21.04 Hippo code, Hirsute Hippo code. This is new release Ubuntu 21.04. This is last update. This is last update. So I download this server ISO. This is server ISO 64-bit and import my Zen server. And import into my Zen server and attach as a DVD drive. So now I start this VM. For continuing installation process, you can check download link from my video description. So now I start installation process. Select language English, layout English, variant English, US English, and network connection automatically connected from my DHCP server. Press enter, done. Press enter, done, and tap to select done, or you can use customize storage layout. So you can select it or press done. Press done and select continue, then press enter. Now type your username, server name Ubuntu 21, pick username, check password, confirm password, then tab, press enter, done. Select install OpenSSH server, select it and press tab, select done. If you want to select many more packages from auto installation process like Nextcloud, Weekend, Docker, Mosquito, PowerShell, and many more packages, it's all pre-installation package, and you can select any one package from here. So if you not needed, so tab done, press enter. Now wait at least 5 to 10 minutes. When installation done, then eject ISO, then reboot your server. Installation done. Eject from my ISO and press enter for reboot your server. Username and password, login, and check IP address and check internet is working fine. Check version Ubuntu 21.04 code name Hirsute. Yes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.